Okay, fan. Oh, I didn't see anything. Look, there's switches. Switches for a light and fan, right, brother?
Yes.
It says Hampton Bay.
Hampton.
Look, guys. Here's come a USA flag. Oh, a flag of the USA. Yeah, thùng ba. Flag of the USA. Let's go stand.
Cái thứ ba thứ mẹ. Phải rồi. Ba thứ mẹ.
Guys, look, this fan is stopping out. Oh my god.
Ba thứ mẹ.
Fan?
Ba hả?
I heard something. Oh my.
Mấy cái không mẹ.
There's a balloon right there.
Cái xạo là không có được nha.
Is that the fan box?
Nói đàng hoàng nha. Nói sao?
Mẹ, không có khương mẹ nữa. Không.
The fan? So look at that. Right there. Alright, so I went to my dad's. Buy this in a Home Depot and go guess to see this fan right there. Fan just stopped.
No.
This fan right there. It's a box. Wait, phải Home Depot hết không ba? So this is a ceiling fan and this one too, a pencil. Uh-oh.